Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello boys and girls, how are you? Welcome to our new lesson of math. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm fine, alhamdulillah. I missed you so much and I cannot wait to see you again. So let's go on and dive in our new math lesson. It's our 6th math lesson now. This is math lesson number 6. And we are doing so great. I'm happy that you all sending me the homework. You are so brilliant and creative. Okay guys, so let's open up the page number 165. We have a practice about the open number line, but this time we will count on 2. So we will count like after 9, 12, 10, 11, 12 and something like that. And also we are going to use the number line, the open number line that we now are doing it for 2 days. Okay, so the number line, usually we have it from 0 till 20, all the numbers here, right? But for the open number line, we only write the numbers that we using it in our equation, in our problem. So if our problem start with number, we will go on and start with this number. We don't have to write from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and till 20. Okay, so this is a really perfect thing. We are not need to have all the numbers in the number line. So make sure that you write today's date in your book if you have book. If you don't have book, grab your pencil and notebook and write with us. Okay guys, so today is April the 2nd, 2020. Today is the 2nd day of April. And April is month that happened to have a season during it, which is spring, if you remember from our science lesson. Okay guys, so let's take another look to this one and see how we can do it. It's already solved, but we are going to revise this and understand how he did it, how the book did it. Okay, he said you can count on to solve addition problem using an open number line, just like he used here. Like he wants to put 2 numbers after this number before he come to the answer. So here he said 8 plus 9 equals how much? Okay, so we can start with 9 because 9 is the big number, but here at the equation he started with 8 and he showed us something. So we will put 8 in our head and 9 in our fingers. Okay, get me 9 in your fingers. Yes, open your hands. Have only one fingers missing, so we have 9. Yes, and we will start count after 8 till we get the answer. So after 8, 9, 10, maybe we can put 10 here on the number line. Okay, so first we will put the first number here, 8 and 10. Let's jump to 10. Okay, let's continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and let's have a big jump till 17. Okay, so let's make it in 2. Let's not make one big jump. We can make 2 jumps before we come to the answer with counting on in our fingers. Okay, so we have 8 in our mind and 9 in our fingers. After some numbers we get it here, we will write it in number line and then we will continue till the end and write the whole sum here. Okay, so here we said we started at 8. This is the first number that we have here. Make sure that you write it again in your book and count on how many times? 9. We continue counting 9 times more till we reach it 17. Okay, so that's an easy one. So that's what are we going to do. If we have an equation like this, we can use number line. Okay, we will count the second number here, we will count on and we will jump twice at the number line. We will not jump at each time. not plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. No, we will jump only twice. Okay, so let's use an open number line to solve the problem. Show your work. He said to us, show your work. And this boy looked like just like Abdul Qadir, right? He looked like Abdul Qadir, and a lot of our boys here in the school, we love them all. Yes, Ahmed, Yusuf, Safwan, Muhammad, Zain, all the boys, Hamza, Ahmed, and all the boys, and Malik. Okay, so here we have 8 plus 4. Okay, so we will count on 4 times after 8. We can put in our mind 8, get 4 in our finger, and after like 2 numbers or something, we can write it here in the number line. So first we will start with this number, right? So we will put here our 8, and we're going to start here. So we will count after 8. We have 4 in our fingers, 9, 10. So let's make a jump. Okay, or one jump, so maybe 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's it, right? So 12. So we jumped twice, maybe jump 1 and or maybe 2, and then we will continue till the end and write it here. So our answer is 12. Let's do another one here. Number 2, 8 plus 7. Okay, for this time let's jump 2 numbers before we get to the final one. And we are starting like this one and this one too with 8. I don't know what's wrong with 8, but he's focusing in 8. So here we have our 8 at the beginning of our number line, because we're not starting from 0 or something like that, or the numbers before it. We directly go to 8. Okay, and after 8 we have 7 in our fingers. After 8, 9, 10. Let's make a jump in 10 and continue. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's make the answer 15. Okay, so we finished the jump at 15, and it's our final number here, 15. Because if you have 8 in your mind and 7 in your fingers, and you counted from 8, 7 more, you will get to 15. Okay, so choose any number in between you. Like you can jump here like 8, 11, and then 15, 8, 12, and then 15. You can jump 8, 9, and then 15. Here, like you see, 8, 10, and then 17. Whatever you like, but make sure that you jump like twice at least on the number line, showing what is the number that you start at. And let's make it tens. So 8, 10, and then 17 will make it easier for us. Okay, so like this one too. Okay guys, so for these ones with the stars, I will tell you about it, but let's first do this one, okay? Because this one is requesting of thinking of something we took before. How can we do it? But we didn't take it with big numbers. We will try to do it today together with big numbers. So Kate has 8 roses. She picks some more roses. Now Kate has 17 roses. How many roses did Kate pick? Use words or picture to explain how you know. Okay, so we have this girl whose name is Kate, okay? And let's make circle here on the 2 numbers that we have here. So we will know if we are going to put together or take away. We will make addition or subtraction from them. So we will put circle on the numbers that we have, and let's tell the story again. So she had 8 roses, okay, and then she get some roses again, more roses, and now she have 17. We know that she had at the first 8. And then she had 17. But how many she picked more to be 17? From 8 to 17. We need to know the number, right? So it's something like that. 8 plus how many equals 17? If we want to know the answer here, we should do what? Give you 5 minutes to think, or less. 10 minutes maybe. 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Alright, so let's do it. He said here use some pictures to explain if you use words or whatever. So guys, if you have like stickers on roses, or you want to draw, or you can make ticks or stars like this to make it like we are going to do now. So she had at the first, she had how many? 8 roses. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she had how many? 8 roses. And now she have 17. So let's add some roses till we know. Till we get 17. So now she have 8. We will continue adding roses, and we will know how many roses we will collect after we finish. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so the rose is here, we cannot see it, but it's here. 17. Now we reached 17. Okay, but we want to know how many did we add here to make this number 17. So we will need to do something, guys. Should we put together or take away? Excellent job. Excellent job, girls. Excellent job, boys. Siba, Nasma, Salsabil, Maryam. Excellent job, Salma. Munira, Hana Batul. Perfect. And the boys too. Ahmed, Hamza, Muhammad, everyone. Yusuf, Zain. Did I mention Malik? Yes. We will take away. So we will take away from the 17, the big number, we will take the 8 that we already know that she had, and whatever remains, that's the number here we need. Okay, so let's count here the roses that we added after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's correct. That's how we were able to tell what is the missing number, right? By subtract. We took the big number here and we subtract the number that we already know to find out what is the number we didn't know. Okay, guys? So that actually was it for today. That's it for today. And the one that has stars are homework. Okay, so let me read the homework for you. Here he said use an open number line to solve each problem. So do the number line like the one we did it at the last page, was having the number line too. So here Marco rides his bike 7 miles. Then he rides 9 more miles. How many miles did Marco ride? So here we will have 7 plus 9. And we will have a number line here. We will start from 7 or from 9. And we will jump twice before we know how many. And we will count on with our fingers too. Okay? And then we will write here how many. And here miles. How many miles did Marco ride in all? Okay? So Anna, this is Marco, this is boy. Anna is a girl. Reads 10 books in January. She reads 10 books in February. How many books did Anna read in all? So when he asked for in all, we need to have an addition like this, okay? So she reads This is the first number, 10. This is the second number, 10. We have 10 plus 10 equals whatever. Okay, let me remind you something. January, February is the first 2 months in the years, and it happens to happen in what season? Excellent job. In winter. We have them in winter when it's really cold. Okay, so here we will have the answer. Make sure that you make the number line. You will start from 10, maybe jump at 5, and finish at the end. Okay, jump 5 at the time. Okay, so here solve this equation, show your work, and open number line below like this. 9 plus 6, here there is no some story, it's a plain equation here or problem. 9 plus 6, we will start from 9 and we will jump till we get the answer, and let's count on 6 in our fingers after 9 how much we will get. And this is your homework, and this is for today. Thank you very much, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'm waiting for you for the next lessons. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.